Hello and welcome to the first episode of Fiona Phonics Fitness. We all need a little bit of movement to keep our brains working at their very best. So, have a little bit of a break with me. In Lesson 1, we will be talking about the letter sounds of some consonants and vowels that we've already learned. These letters are consonants. So far in our Fiona Phonics series, we've learned C, N, P, S, and T. Let's relearn some of those consonant sounds. P says P, N says N, C says K, S says S, T says T. When you hear a word that starts with a consonant, march in place, like this. S says S. March, march, march. Don't forget that vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So far, we have only talked about A, E, and I. The short A sound says A as an apple, short E says E as an elephant, and short I says I as an igloo. So when you hear a word that starts with a short vowel, dodge the water balloon. Like this. A says ah, dodge. E says dodge. You've got it. Now remember, march when it is a consonant, but dodge those vowels. Here we go. Say it with me, kids. T says T, march. P says P, march. Keep on marching, keep on marching. Good job. I says I. Oh no, it's a vowel. Dodge that water balloon. Dodge left, dodge right. Keep on dodging. Did you dodge the water balloon? Try to stay dry. Let's keep playing. Say it with me. S says S. March, march, march. B says B. A says ah. That's a vowel. Dodge, dodge, dodge. C says K. N says N. Say it with me, kids. I says I. Okay, time is speeding up. Keep dodging those water balloons. S says S. E says eh. T says T. A says ah. P says P. C says K. I says I. Did you stay dry? Now you can rest. Well done, Phonics friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona, for more educational content. See you next time.